So to the actually we are installing Tosca Server setup 2025. So for this prerequisites, we need a Microsoft .NET Framework 4.8. So for that, I just wanted to download this. That's the reason I'm just came here. We'll try to download this now. What is the recommended prerequisite? 4.8. Okay. So let us find here 4.8. I think this is the one. Okay, download it now. Okay, yeah, it is trying to download. Yeah. So let me see, check, like cross check whether we correctly downloaded or not, or else this is undp something is there. I feel this is not right one. Let us check where exactly ours. um, okay, I think the we chose wrong. This is installer. What is this? Wrong. So let us find the best one. .NET Framework Web Installer. What is this? Why is this not correct? So let us find the right one. Microsoft .NET Framework 4.8. 4.8. And the other one is which one? Anything is fine. Microsoft .NET 8.0.16. Okay. So let me find Microsoft Framework. Download Microsoft Framework 4.8 offline install package now. For Windows, I'll tell for Windows better. Windows 11. Okay, let me check now. Okay, better. I think again we got same page. Download .NET free official downloads. Microsoft from Microsoft 4.8, 4.8. Better this. I'll take. Next, where is the download option? This is developer pack. This is runtime. What is this? Are we doing it wrong? Okay, let me cross check again. I'll try to go back again. Install .NET Framework Windows Server 4.1, 4.81, 4.8. So 4.8 we got. This is the one. Let me check. Still, we are navigating here. Web installer offline. So let's see. What is this? Let me try to install them first. Yeah, I think this is the one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I think this is the right one. Let me do it. Yeah, this is right. Let us continue. Already. Oh, that's great. Already installed in our computer. That's great. That's great. Fantastic. So then let me directly go here. I'll choose this next. Okay. Tosca server. Do it. So this is the path where our Tosca server will be stored there. This is the path, and this is the one. And you see this 443, which means it is highly secured. Okay. What is this certificate thumbprint? Oh, I think, let me take from my, it's invalid. So what is this? What is thumbprint? One second. Let me check this. Oh my goodness. So one second. Port number 443 is fine. What about this certificate thumbprint? Certificate thumbprint. I think we need to keep self-signed certificate, I guess. If it is HTTP, directly it is taking. For HTTPS, self-signed actually. We need certificate. So for that, what we have to do? Mm, Let me do one thing. I will cross check Windows or I'll type here ser cert lm dot msc Microsoft. Let me check if we find anything here. There are a lot of certificates are there. Okay, personal Windows Server uh, token certificates. So let me take from here itself. I'll better try to get it from here. I'll see. Copy. Okay, that's fine, but how should I take from here, man? So I can't take this. No, what should I do then? Better I think I need to go with the 80, I think so. Else Windows R personal. Mhm. So I'll do one thing. Let me try to ask ChatGPT better. This is, we should not play here. Okay, let me ask my friend ChatGPT. So this is last option after I given many trials. SSL certificates, PowerShell. I'll run PowerShell. PowerShell, yeah, administrator. Okay, so I'll copy here, go to PowerShell and run here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the path, I think so. Right? Let me take. Um, Let me paste here. Yep. Let me take and paste here. It is still invalid. Okay. Mm, let me. I will give my response to the chat GPT. Let me. That will help us. So let me paste here. Perfect. So this is the one I already said. But thing is that was not accepted, right? So this is certificate does not have a private key. Okay. Okay. So let me take this then. It looks like same, right? Okay, again I'll try to take a copy because so let us take help. This troubleshooting also will helps a lot later on. The error certificates does not have a private key means Tosca is looking for wrong certificate store. That's why. Okay, so let me try to run this then. I don't have any server name, right? I think yeah, I who do have servers. Maybe I just need to go with the I think Tosca support server. One sec. Certificate thumbprint. Self-signed certificate. DNS name is what is this? Tosca. I think this would be Tosca means. I think that is Tosca related of website might be. One second. Yeah, we just need to maintain some patience, man. So better let's go with the HTTP only so far. Okay. I think we also got this actually from this. See, open this notepad. So this is the one, right, which we got. It is still showing invalid. Yeah, so we don't have anything, all these things related. So I just want to go with HTTP. Okay, just HTTP means it is not secure. So let us go with the initial step setup. Let's go next. Next. So this is installation. So let me go with it. Yeah, it's getting started. Yeah, let's see. So guys, if you are watching not in live, if you are watching it later, so just forward this time whatever installing time is there, right? Oh my goodness, what is this? I think what happened, I don't know why it is. I think it's got disturbed something. What's this? I don't know what is happening. It got disturbed. Well, see this? So let this install. So if you are watching off later, so if not it live, so better you pass, you can forward this, okay, forward it just simply, right? So let us wait until it's done. So it's almost, so you just need to move the mouse better, it will be done fast. See, 95%. Still it should be pending. It's all pending. Let's wait. Because my mission completely, it's almost I have used entire all GB. Maybe that is the reason, maybe a bit slow. Still, let's wait. I think full frame got done. This is also okay. This is also okay. Yeah, almost. Thanks. Yeah, almost. So guys, if you are watching this later, means if somebody who is watching this not in live, so those who are watching later, so don't forget, just simply forward this. Simply, yes, this is done. Okay. Yes, yes, this is done. Now you see this, how many these many installed. Okay. Right. Now the installation completed successfully. So this is successful message. You see, this is automatically open the Tosca server. Yes, settings in your browser. You see this settings in browser. When you install this completed, just go. You see this HTTP, because 80 port is 80. You see HTTP, right? Earlier it was asking about HTTPS because we don't have any thumbprint, right? So which means certificates. We don't have any certificates. That's the reason we just have gone through 80 port. 80 port is nothing but just for no HTTP default port, that is. So that's the reason we don't have that much security. So you can see like this only. Okay. Otherwise, if you keep 443, you'll get something like HTTPS. This means security, something like this. Okay. So far that is not there. That's okay. Still we can able to continue properly. That's okay. Right. We just write localhost, so then automatically it will get. So let me take, and also I have installed that Jenkins on top of 80. Maybe there is a chance to conflict, but still I can fix that, not a big deal. So I can show you that localhost. I'll write it again, localhost. Let me enter this. See, it is a directly it is getting, right. So this is the page actually. So this is your page. You can see distributed execution, test data management, license administration, and user administration, administration console. These user administration related things will be going to do it later. So these are all important. So just keep in mind all these things. Next whatever next to what we are going to deal with this. So today, and this before this video, maybe I just need to keep some thumbnails actually. So this is second one. First one is actually I explained about complete architecture diagram. I'll also show you for better understanding, because if that will be good connection. So because if somebody who is watching this video, maybe so they can connect, they can relate with each other. So data table you can see. So this is one I have explained before. So we are just doing configurations one by one, one by one. So I also done with the Jenkins as well. Open existing diagram with Jenkins. Existing diagram. Yes, you see this. So this done this architectural diagram we have done with the first video. So we will you can see that video also. So next this setup has been done. Okay, this Jenkins already created. You can see Jenkins also, localhost 8080. There are chances conflict action. Yeah, no conflict because I have taken 8080. That's great. So this setup has been done. Okay. So this setup has been done earlier. So you see this remaining things, we are going to integrate all these things. Okay, API, Tricentis already, Tricentis server also we have done this. This part we are done. We have done all these things ready, and Tosca also. This GitHub we are also ready, because whenever you install this Jenkins automatic, by default you will get GitHub. Okay, Git and GitHub related plugins. Okay, default plugins. And this next server Tosca has been done just now. So this is the one. Okay, you can see this, all these things. Next already we have a Tosca commander. Okay, Tosca, see this, yeah, Tosca commander is there, which means workspace. You can call workspace, you can You can call commander, etc., etc. Okay. This is also taking time because I have installed a lot more softwares on top of my system. That's the reason little delay. Okay, just try to uh, bear some patience. Okay, so let this open. I'll show you Tricentis Tosca Commander. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, I can open with this project. So Jenkins just before created only, just workspace we created. That's it. So this is entire. You can see this screen. It is bit slow because I have installed a lot of things. Even VMware also is there. See, lot of things. VMware also is there because that's why it's a bit slow. Anyways, that's fine, right? So everything is get ready. So okay, Tosca endpoints. This will connect. Okay, will connect using REST API. Will set up all these things, including all together. We just made it ready, which means we installed all these things. We did not connect it. Okay, we'll do it later. The connection part we will do it in next part. Okay, so yeah, so far this is really fantastic moment because which we have successfully done this. Okay, this was really fantastic job. And where is that localhost? Yeah, this is the one. So localhost, you can see if you click on Tosca Max, most probably as per my experience, Tosca is will run very smoothly on top of Firefox. Okay, this is the setup. And so we'll go to detail configuration. Just go to basic configuration. Yes. Yes. A configuration, and what you need to check how you convert this HTTPS to URL now. Just right click, just go to settings. Yes, 1 second, it is a bit slow. In settings, yeah, you see this. So now you see your email ID, whatever it is there, just go with it. Yeah, so thing is, you know, so whatever it is there, just normally, yeah, normally if you see, this is in HTTP. If you want to convert this HTTP to HTTPS, just click on this settings. Okay. So next, yeah, let me go to here. I'm trying to authentication is required actually. I think default password is admin, I guess. So I think both are admin, I think. So admin. So let us see with the admin default password. Okay. So let me log in. So no need remember. I'll try to log in with this admin. Let's say default password. It's taking bit slow. Let's see. Why it is not responding? Let me restart this. Again, I'll try again. admin admin, and just default password would be like this, I think so. Admin, I'm also trying with this. Why admin also not taking? Okay, maybe a capital. Let me try with the capital. Oh, got it. That's great. That's great. I'll keep my own password. Okay. Okay. So this is password. Oh, maybe I need to satisfy with the condition. I think the password must contain at least 12. Okay, that's fine. Let me check. Yeah, got it. I think so. Yeah, again, I need to change. I need to log in with my password, which I entered. Okay, let me check here along with this. Not now, I don't want to save this now. Yeah, I think it will open. Yeah, that's great. That's great. So you can see this, right? Gateway service, HTTP is 80, HTTP is 443. Okay. By default, you installed with 80. See this? When you click on this HTTP, automatically you will get a warning. Switching to HTTP schema is disabled authentication. If you want to save the configuration, authentication will be disabled throughout all Tosca server components. So this is what. Okay, right? So now we need to make it as a HTTPS. Okay, you see the gateway. By default, it will be HTTP, right? So I will just change this to HTTPS. Now the default port for HTTPS is 443. So I will change this to 443. Now the host name is nothing but in which URL you want access the Tosca server. Okay. If you click on this, you will see. Oh, okay. Let me check. Let me keep 443. Yeah, local host, additional host names, certificate thumbprint, all these things I need to keep. Let's see. In which URL you want to access Tosca server, right? Before entering this URL, whatever URL you are entering, that URL you need to get a proper SSL certificate from your IT team. So I'm going to install this. I think I need to keep I'll try with my URL. Let me. I have actually one host name better. I think I'll use mine. Let's see. Uh, I don't know. Let's see. Let me try. Not sure whether it works or not. I don't know. I think we don't have certificate, right? That's why I'm thinking. So this is actually we are actually generally we are configuring it, but you are working in IT real time. This certificate should be imported. If you are working in client environment, IT team will roll out for huge manner. So where the certificate will get automatically to import it for all the machines under the network. So once the certificate is imported, you can get the certificate. Click certificates will be there. You can see last command windows are. So this I think which one? I think this. Yeah, I think this is. Where is that? System sysdm cpl or msc, I think so. I think this is the one. See, I think don't have access to right list. Okay, this not this. I think let me open this. This is only suggested as ChatGPT earlier. Where is that? Yeah, this is the one. mm, Windows are msc. Type msc, right? msc. MSc the presenter, it's also not showing. This is disk management certificate. I think this is the one. So you see this all certificates in the client location if you are working. So there are a lot of certificates will be there. So that are really important. So network. So if you see there are a lot of certificates. You see anything, any certificates you see a trusted devices. Okay, tokens, certificates you will find anywhere. See the certificates. So you see the details. So all the certificates are there here. So these are all public key, subject, thumbprint. You see this thumbprint. So this is the thumbprint. Okay, if you do this, if you buy a certificate or if you import a certificate, so you can see thumbprint like this. Okay, but let me do one thing. Actually, I just got one thumbprint, but I'll try and that's it. Just trying only. I'm not sure whether this will work or not. I'm trying with it. Let me check. So I'm not sure whether this thumbprint will work or not. Most probably not, but let's try. Where is that? Yes, this is the one. I think this is the one. Certificate store, personal. It won't. I know it won't. The failed configuration because this is not valid. And 100% because we did not given proper certificate, right? See, this is not proper certificate. That's why it is not accepting. So yeah, 100% this is not right. So let's do one thing. Um, Let me take one certificate from somewhere here itself. Let's see whether this accept or not. Okay, just one certificate. I'll take it and I'll try to paste. See this? It's working. Okay, let me try to save this. Fail to save the configuration. The exception occurred during the apply changes. Gateway configuration. All the changes of gateway configuration has been rolled back. One more error occurred found. The certificates with the provided does not exist in the given store. Okay, where is the store here? Yes. Oh, trusted certificate, untrusted certificates, trusted people, publishers. So all this. So where third party, intermediate, untrusted, local, trusted root certificate. Let's try with it. Still untrusted. I'll try with it. Still Local computer, it's fine. Trusted root certification authorities. Save. Still. Because you copied from some others. Okay, that is the reason. Copied from others. That's why. It's right. So these certificates is not yours. This certificates Windows Live token something. It is not related to you. Trusted devices, Windows Server, certificates, public keys. So you see the details you are taking from some other certificates because you did not buy the certificates, right? So how you'll get it? So that's fine, no problem at all because actually we are not going to use this in production moment. However, that's fine. That's okay. This is a way I'm showing that. So this is a way. So this is a way is there. So if you want to make it to 443 security, so you can do it. This is a way. Okay. Once you save this, don't click on OK. So as of now, because we need to verify all the certificates and all, so we don't have anything. So yeah, file service, go with file service. So I will make separate video for file services configure and all. Let us see this SQLite, MS SQL, default database. So project services related, authentication services. So these are default SQLite, administration console, test data service, license administration. So all these things, all these things are there. If you want to make it, you can make it as HTTP 443. You need to remove it to make it as 80. Okay. So if you see, if you want to save up and running, so your server, you can see here the dot green color running up and running. Okay. So your earlier your port is 80, so you can make it as 80 only. So changing the services has been saved. You would like to restart? Yes. That's it. Because I am not saving this HTTP. Okay. So like this. So if you want to Windows services, you see this. You see here Tosca Tricentis. You see all the Tricentis related services which is running or not. You see this is running distributed file service gateway is starting. So just it is starting. This is what I am looking for. So still it just showing in starting. Okay. So start, stop, pause, everything is there here. Okay. So let me see here. Yeah, close. So it is successfully done. So it is running up and running. So this is how we need to configure Tosca server. So server is also got ready. Everything is fine, right? So let's see the diagram. So everything is got ready. Jenkins, Tricentis, uh, Tosca server, Jenkins plugins, and Commander, Tosca Commander. So this is one. Everything is ready. Next time, next class, we will configure, we will connect all together and we will complete the project. Thank you so much.